believe it all. Indian you working at the car wash. Working at the car wash, yeah. Come on and sing it with me.